And as usual, there's a little thing on the bed for us. How nice is that? It's my wife's 50th birthday, and that's her wish for that, so that's why we got this room. Also, it's our anniversary in a few days, so happy anniversary for us. This is why you do really this side. Reach out to the balcony and a huge TV next to the bedroom at night if you want to go to the toilet. There is a bedroom, bathroom here, just a simple one, but it makes do. Let's go downstairs. Downstairs is, well, of course there's a stair. We'll go down, and you have a wardrobe room here with slippers and bathrobes, safe, umbrellas, hair dryers, whatever. Everything you might need. There's nothing, but it's a nice place for suitcases. Of course, the umbrella is one for 2 people. And then down here is the toilet and the washroom. So here you can stand and take a bath in sink and enjoy each other's company, or you can have one person taking a bath and the other person taking a shower. Also here, a makeup wash table with 2 washers and a mirror, so you don't have to look at each other. And here for all your needs. This here is a dental kit, so probably a toothbrush. And here's a, I don't know, vanity kit. Let's have a look at what's in the vanity kit. It's cotton buds. Nothing I understand, but I'm a guy. Anyway, and some more water. And of course there's also aircon in here. And the toilets. So, this is the little suite. Loads of towels everywhere, loads of soap everywhere, everything you might. Normally your key card would have to be in the lock, so the power don't go out, or you save power when you're not here. But here there's a card in permanently, so you do also get 2 key cards, so you can leave one in, so when you come in, it won't be warm in here, it will be really nice. And here's our evacuation plan, if we ever need that. We are in boat suite number 3, so very close to the main building and very far from the pool, but it's okay. Last time we were in the opposite boat suite number 17, almost the same. All right, let's go to the level. Really nice. Jacuzzi built in right next to us, and our own personal sunbed. And an umbrella or parasol to prevent us from getting too sunburned. Looking forward to that later. And here you see the design behind the boat suite. Food changes a few times a day. We have chocolate balls, passion fruit, a cup, and some cake and olives. Nice. 3. Boat suites 3. So salmon sandwiches and vegetarian wraps and more sandwiches. Let's dig in. Today we have the chocolates again, and chocolate cake and fruit, and let's see what we have here. Is it the salmon? I don't think so. This is tuna, I think. And these are the same as yesterday: falafel wraps and tuna sandwiches. That looks nice. Let's have it. Creme catalana, red velvet cake. Yes, skinke. Crab cakes, fish cakes, and salmon mini quiche. Yeah. Baked beans, roasted tomatoes, butter chicken, balls, assorted dim sums, and of course bread. So if you go to the level, you saw the selection before, but you also have this menu, which is a difference from the menu, or there is not a similar menu in the normal breakfast area. You may be able to put this together yourself, but at least there's a lot of choices here. It's a breakfast lounge. conference rooms.
Sky